Our springs are our lifeline. When they move, we rise. And make ourselves counted among the best spring manufacturers of the world. When they roar, we propel. And join the best in the fast-growing world of technology. Of whatever sizes and types they may be, all our springs have one thing in common: resilience. Like our flexible and steadfast springs, TechnoSpring India is also built on a solid foundation of resilience, courage, and a never-say-die spirit. In our illustrious journey of 4 decades, we weathered storms and came out stronger every time. It is our spirit of courage and resilience that helps us stand together and remain undeterred even during the time of an unprecedented crisis of COVID-19 pandemic. As the world is battling this pandemic, we continue to do what we know best: work and make it count. We rose to the challenges with a pragmatic and sensitive approach, creating an ecosystem that allows productivity while still ensuring safety. Our production facility located in Faridabad is a sacred space for us. It is here that all action takes place. It is at this sprawling manufacturing unit spread over 80,000 square feet that our machines work round the clock, churning out springs and more springs. Our latest CNC and cam-driven machines achieve maximum accuracy, consistency, flexibility, and productivity at high volumes. We at TechnoSprings believe in constant innovation and thinking out of box. To this end, we have created the truly unique dojo room at our sprawling premises at Faridabad. This is a vibrant space that allows our highly skilled workforce to think critically, brainstorm, evaluate, learn and unlearn, while at the same time document and archive the experiences and strategies for the future. We work towards a unified goal of serving our customers by delivering them with high precision and customized springs. Springs that go through stringent quality testing measures, checking its tensile strength, endurance, torque and flexibility that ensures optimum performance and a truly zero-defect product. This customer's first policy has enabled TechnoSpring to build long-lasting partnerships with clients. We pride ourselves in being not just an economically viable enterprise, but also an innovative, resilient, and flexible business model prepared to mitigate and power through crisis.